Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video we will talk about hands-on learning versus watching tutorials. What actually works. So many people spend months watching tutorials and still feel stuck. So an important question is what actually works better, hands-on practice or watching tutorials? The short answer is both are important, but they play very different roles. Watching tutorials help you understand concepts, it gives you an overview and help you see how things fit together. But watching alone creates a false sense of progress. Hands-on practice is where real learning happens. When you run commands, make mistakes, and try to fix them, you actually understand how things work. This is especially true for tools like Docker and Kubernetes. The mistake many beginners make is staying in tutorial mode for too long. They keep watching new videos instead of practicing what they already learned. A better approach is to combine both. Watch a small part of tutorial and then immediately try it yourself. Break things, see errors, and understand why they happen. If you had to choose one, hands-on practice matters more than watching. Tutorials should guide you, not replace practice. This approach saves time and makes learning much more effective. So, hands-on learning matters more in comparison to just watching tutorials. So, that's all in this video. Thanks for watching. And like, share, and subscribe if you like this video, and uh, ask me anything in comment section. I'm here to help you all.